Can LLC members sue each other? Yes, LLC members can sue each other, but it usually happens when there's a serious dispute over money, management, or breach of the operating agreement. For example, one member might claim another misused company funds, acted outside their authority, or failed to uphold agreed responsibilities. In these cases, lawsuits are often filed for breach of contract, breach of fiduciary duty, or fraud. Most operating agreements include rules on how disputes should be handled, sometimes requiring mediation or arbitration before going to court. If no agreement exists, state LLC laws apply, which can vary. Lawsuits between members can be costly and disruptive, often damaging the business itself, so it's usually best to resolve conflicts through negotiation or alternative dispute resolution. The short answer is this: yes, members can sue each other, but strong operating agreements and dispute resolution steps can often prevent issues from escalating to court. Zen Business can help you set up an LLC with a solid operating agreement to reduce the risk of member disputes. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.